Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials. Confirm you have connection details and Beekeeper Studio installed. Open the app and create a new connection using host, port, user, password, and database name. This saves time later. Once done, choose the correct database type and toggle SSL or SSH tunnel if your server needs encryption. Make sure to name the connection clearly so you can find it. This first step gets you into the tool and ready to run queries immediately. Now you focus on interacting with data. Open a SQL editor tab and select the saved connection so queries run against the right database. Type your query, use autocomplete and snippets to speed up typing, then execute with the Run button or shortcut. Once results appear, inspect the grid, sort columns, and apply filters to narrow rows. When you need to share or analyze results outside the app, export the results set to CSV or JSON, and close the tab when finished. Finish by managing schema and ensuring stability. Open the schema browser to view tables, indexes, constraints, and row counts so you understand structure before changing anything. Use the table editor to create or alter tables. Preview SQL the editor will run, then apply changes. If something goes wrong, first recheck host, port, and credentials, then confirm your firewall and SSL/TLS settings. A quick reconnect often helps. If errors persist, copy the exact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.